Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this heart-shaped lock candy holder together. So here we are with all of the pieces cut out. As you can see, we've got some fine and delicate cuts here, so we need to be using a good quality cardstock. These are the front pieces with the large hole where the dome will fit, just like that. There's also a key to go with this. Obviously it's optional if you want to cut this as well. And then these two pieces with the smaller hole are the back pieces, and the Irish shutter sits between them. This is the Irish shutter. I'll just show you it working. I've kind of made it yellow so it looks like a lock. Obviously we can't use the same material as the gold, it just wouldn't work properly. So it will sit in between like that. And the tutorial on the Irish shutter is available below. I'm going to start by using this Beacon 3-in-1 glue to put the front pieces together. I'm also going to be using Zig 2-way glue on some pieces. I find it's a good glue to use on pieces of cardstock that are holographic or mirrored. Some of the glues can stain and you can sort of see them from the back. So anyway, we're going to start with the glitter piece and attach that onto this mirror holographic gold cardstock. Just lining it up, and the circles in the center should align as well. Okay. Then I'm going to use the Zig because I'm going onto this holographic card. As I said, sometimes this glue, you can see it, sort of like it stains it from behind. It's hard to explain. And then you want to line these two up so that the center circles are aligned, but then there's like this edge, a black edge around the design. I hope that makes sense. Okay, just line those up as best we can. And your dome will fit in there. I'm just going to do the key as well, again using the Zig 2-way glue. Then I'm moving on to the back pieces here. Okay, so there's your Irish shutter. This is the back with these little tabs on it. And I'm going to be using the beacon glue for this, but what you want to do is just place it down and see where the arm is going to swing. On this design you could put it either way, like on the left hand side or the right hand side, but I always prefer to put it on the right. So I'm going to put the glue on this outer ring of the shutter, then lift both pieces up and make sure that those two circles are aligned. Okay. So the circles need to be aligned and you need to make sure that you can see the handle. That looks good to me. So the next thing I'm going to do is use double-sided foam tape. This one's from Lulu, which is a local supermarket. I'm going to put it all around this area, but avoid this area where the arm is going to swing. Okay, the next stage is to get the beacon glue again and go around that outer ring of the Irish shutter. And then we're taking this pink piece and we're basically sandwiching the Irish shutter between those two pieces. Align them up as best you can. And then give them a squeeze all the way around. At this point I like to check that the Irish shutter still opens and closes, because sometimes we get glue or a little piece of the foam tape in the wrong place, and that can stop it from working properly. Next, I put the front pieces onto the back like that, line them up, and then I use the Beacon 3-in-1 glue again, and I use the front pieces like a guide for the glue, so I go all around this circle, and then I take the front away and I place the half dome into the glue circle. Obviously, if you can leave these to dry for a while, that would be great. I leave that little piece on the dome, but you don't have to. The next step is to cover all of this area either in the double-sided foam tape or in the Beacon 3-in-1 glue. It depends on what kind of a look you want. If you want a 3D effect, use the foam tape. I'm just using glue today. And then I just place it on top like that. And again, give it a squeeze all the way around. And that is essentially your finished candy holder. We'll just open and close it, check that it's working okay. Now obviously there are a couple of extra things on this one that you might want to do. We do have the little key. So I'm just going to attach it with some pink and white twine that I have. Obviously any kind of ribbon or anything you might have laying around would look fabulous. So that's the little key attached. And then we do have this keyhole as well, which I've cut out of vinyl. So I'll just quickly weed it. And then I'll get my transfer tape and give it a quick burnish. And then the next thing is to just cut around the transfer tape like this. Just cut little slits into it, and that will help you to put it onto a rounded surface. Start from the center and work out, and then it will just peel off in pieces, but that's fine as long as it goes on smooth. It's only a small piece, so it's great. There we go. There's the finished candy holder. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please drop me a comment or follow and subscribe. Thanks now. Bye.